I just drew little circles where the bolt holes are. So this is just an old mechanic trick that helps you remember where the bolts go. And we have a gasket, and we also have some little studs. So these are Carbide Gasket Scrapers. Okay, this is what we're going to use to scrape the gasket. So the first thing that we're going to do is drain. Okay. We can take our gasket scraper and you can scrape all this nice and clean. Just set it in place.